welcome to Waterfall, and this is the Century Ride.
Ride down this big hill and and then go along the coast for a little bit through Ostermere and Wollongong and stuff. Then through Macquarie Pass, which will be a big hill.
Long climb.
So this is our first Century Ride. We are, would you say we're match fit? No.
No.
Nah.
Would you say we slept well?
Nah.
Would you say we've got all the right gear?
Nah.
And this is to document how that went. Wish us luck. A quick gear check. Firstly, Ben, we have, what do we have? A
Canyon Endurance AL 8.0 disc.
And then Rob's got the Sculpture 5000?
Yeah.
3000?
5,000.
And then I have and then a very laden Avanti Corsa DR1. And I've got the Topo pack on the front, that's got the Mavic in it. Got the Osmo on the front there. Speaker and Decathlon saddlebag with batteries and lollies and all that sort of crap. So basically all of the lightness advantages of this bike have been negated by the crap I'm carrying, but
Fun times.
at least it rolls fast. You were just saying how quiet it is.
Bloody quiet. So quiet.
How's the Serenity? How's the Serenity?
Or chocolate.
Yeah,
Just no words.
it's a Fred ratio. Stanwell tops, really not, maybe only 500 meters past Otwell. Ready to do the descent. I'm gonna see if I can fly a drone over that, over the Stanwell Tops bridge. If I can do it in tracking mode, then that would be sick. Alright, commence active track test. Drone is flying. To be honest, I've never made this work properly before, so it'll be a first. So, how far? Where are we?
40k.
Only 40k,
40
yeah.
Ks.
So not even a third yet. And how many hours?
2.5 hours. 2.5 hours.
Okay, that's pretty slow. Well,
Comes in out.
Average is 23.5 kilometers an hour.
okay. Well, it's not terrible, but it's not great.
Yeah.
Tronic Energy. My review, cherry flavoured cum. Not that I know what that tastes like, but definitely consistency I can observe, and cherry flavoured cum. Ben?
Agreed.
Some people like that. Mr. Low Pressure finally found his threshold. Apparently 30 psi isn't great for road riding. And all to stop an old man from dying, so it was heroic.
K, 62 k's in.
That's not a lot.
And average of 23.9.
That's fairly slow.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I guess if we can just slog through this and keep that sort of pace, we should.
Yeah,
okay.
that's it.
Oh, by the way, we're in Dapto. Dapto,
Yes.
which is just past Wollongong on the coast. Percentage done, a third.
I'd say about a third.
So there was a bunch of cyclists coming the other way, and I think they gave me a look like we were crazy, and they've got good reason to, because we are heading the way of that mountain over there, the Macquarie Pass. If you're familiar with it, it's a beautiful snaking, motorcycle-loving road that ascends very vertically. And honestly, I don't know how we're going to go, because it's going to take us about an hour to get up there. It's doable, but doable by us is the question. Lothlorien! Fucking nerd!
Well, it says I've done 63 k's, but I forgot to hit record.
This is a good halfway point.
Yeah.
At an average of 22.6 kilometers per hour.
23.8.
Tell me, what are we about to do?
It's called Macquarie's Pass. It's 12.3 k's long. It's just one big climb.
Yeah, it's a 12 kilometer climb. The reward at the top is a pie and a schooner of beer. I'm hoping for craft. They have craft in the country now. Australia's changing every day. No idea how far up the hill we are, but we've had some nice little comments from drivers coming up. Where's your rego? That's always a favourite. That's a good one. And that's another good one, always by a V8 for some reason. Prime offenders would be the Gentry utes, which is the Amaroks. The utes have never been used for work, just for jet skis.
We're about halfway through the hairpins, you reckon?
Smashing it, mate. Yeah, well, no, we're at the start of the hairpins. That's a happy man right there. We've officially conquered
I'm
Macquarie.
screwed.
No, what I really want to know, Rob, is did we KOM?
Yeah, but
For us.
the other way though.
Yeah. But the K stands for Special K.
Yeah.
We K-hold it.
I am so much looking forward to this pie.
So my verdict of the Macquarie Pass is that, honestly, not that bad in terms of gradient, just bad in terms of length. Yeah, I've never been abused so much on a bike. Just trying to live here, man. Update, we've done 106, 107 kilometers, so about 50 k's to go, but it's getting dark soon and it's getting windy, so, well, we're just going to push through it. There's no support vehicle.
Let's down the side.
Right, so update, 130 kilometers, hurt everywhere, kind of generally miserable, but not getting like fast more miserable, so pushing through. Ben's peeing. I have no urine in me. That's all I can really say right now. I'm freaking tired. What's this position called, Rob?
Asian squat, buddy. This is the most comfortable position right now.
do it.
Been joined by our motivational person. Up. This is we're 21 kilometers away from the end. It's nearly dark. There's 3 kilometers of gravel. We are completely buggered. Ben has a bike rack, but we're not going to take it because that's mental strength. Woo-hoo! 100 miles! Alright, now let's finish this.
Notice that? So after the crows passed, every single hill, I was just so slow.
Alright boys, we only fucking did it, didn't we?
Fuck yeah.
169 kilometers, 8.5 hours
167.
moving time.
Freaking awesome.
Yeah, we bloody did it.
Well done, boys.
And now I would like a beer.